What's going on? James Bondi's here. In this video, I'm going to go through installing the garage door campaign from why it's a great niche to the numbers when it comes to running it on Google, the numbers on based on the actual industry averages, and everything that you need to know about the garage door niche. Now, when I go through the funnel build, again, as you guys know, I have templates for all these funnels that I'm doing. And you can get those templates, those snapshots, by going to highlevelrewards.com or commenting down below. And I'll send you the direct link to this and getting an entire course, bunch of snapshots, and just a whole bunch of stuff. And at the end of this, I'll kind of breeze through exactly what you get just by getting a trial under Go High Level. Now, remember, we use Go High Level as our software to do everything, building funnels, running our agency, sending text messages, setting up email, emailing customers and clients, even doing cold email, doing everything that you can. There is no other software that you need to do this. And so that's why we are living in amazing times. So I'm going to just jump right into this. So if you look at my screen right now, this is just some insight on the industry. And I'll probably attach this to like near the snapshot in my affiliate group, but just kind of like an FYI of if you're selling to this niche, you might as well know a little bit about it. So it's very easy to start. You can do it for as little as 50 grand. I know, amazing. When we want to start an online business, it costs us like a couple thousand, if that, right? But starting an actual brick and mortar-ish business costs a lot of money. So you need the licenses and the tools and insurance and all that other related costs, okay? The estimated garage door installation revenue in the US in 2021 was give or take 422 million. So it's a decent size industry. And an average yearly growth since 2012, 1.4%. Minimal investment to start. They consider 50,000 minimal, but that's cool. And so here's some keys to success in this industry: operating franchises, economies of scale, licensed and bonded workers, okay? And the average cost to replace a garage door ranges between $600 and $2,500 depending on the size, material, and features of the door. And here's a detailed breakdown. Basic garage doors, single, non-insulated, they're $600 to $1,500. Actually, these are probably these numbers are probably 2 years old, so it's probably double that, as we all know what inflation has done in building materials and all that stuff. Mid-range, 8 to 2,000 and 2 to 4,000. So I would double the low number at minimum, okay? And labor accounts for $200 to $600 of the total cost, so figure about 10 to 20% of the total cost, okay? As I mentioned, some growth over the last amount of years. It employs about 500,000 people. And here's some training schools. Most of these people, they're doing garage door installation, openers. Actually, people have struggle getting their opener to work, so they'll come out for $150 to $300. Steel entry doors, custom wood doors. The average cost of the door installation is $400 to $3,500. So here's some considerations when talking to somebody who does this business. The service needs are on the upswing, so it's a good sign. The next 5 years is projected to increase in terms of revenue and earnings. Low overhead costs and the need for marketing make this a prime candidate for service. Most of them don't know how to do it. Limited barrier of entry leaves more cash flow, and after startups and commercial options present potential for high-cost services on a repeat basis. Now, let's jump into the funnel really quick, and then I'll get into the Google Ads numbers, okay? So this is what our current snapshot looks like, okay? Again, you can make this however you want, but at least you can start with some sort of template, all right? That we use the orange colors because the client that we had, their colors were this, okay? And I actually think it looks pretty good, all right? Simple. Now, I'm not going to go through editing a funnel, all right? Now, I did yesterday or 2 days ago, and it's going to be repetitive. Like, I'm just going to say, change what you want to change on here, right? Put in, in the custom values or location name. Change whatever you want to change. But you have the form here. You have everything set up, including, and what I'll go through is the follow-ups, okay? And so this would be your typical funnel. Landing page, thank you page. Now, what I wanted to do was edit this a little bit so you guys can see that when you edit these funnels, you better make sure that you're editing both the desktop version and the mobile version, okay? Because when I edited this, I did it on purpose. I didn't have the mobile version checked off, and this is what happened. I didn't get all my edits in the mobile version, okay? And actually, you can see even this is wrong, credit repair. So double check the funnels if you're going to use a snapshot, and just be smart about where, making sure you edit everything that you need. So let's jump into the automations, right? It's nothing groundbreaking. Again, this is perfect. It's a 10-touch follow-up. It's SMS and email. And it just, when they opt in, or not opt in, when they fill the form out, and by the way, you can change this form and ask whatever you want to ask. Okay. At the time we were doing this with this guy, he just wanted name, email, and phone number. He didn't want to know what they wanted because he said, I'm going to be biased, and I just rather talk to the garage door, to the customer, because he's like, I'm really good at upselling. So we left it plain. So here's the email, right? The first thing that goes out is when they put in the information in is, hey, thank you for reaching out about your garage door repair. Based on the details you provided, we'd be happy to assist you. To get started, we'd recommend scheduling a quick blah, 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 blah. You can reply to this email or give us a call, okay? Very, very simple. And I'm not going to go, and the first SMS goes out about 5 minutes. This is location owner first name with the location name. You were interested in getting your garage door repaired. Would you prefer text or call? We're just trying to get somebody to answer, okay? And then we'll call them. Now, with all that being said, I'm not going to go through each one of these, but you can see it goes on for, 7 days or something like that. And this is set up for you to use as a template, okay? It comes with the snapshot. And that's really all you need when it comes to running this particular niche. And to be honest with you, $1,000 a month in this niche, I would include in that $1,000 200 to 300 of ads, meaning if you want to pitch 1,000, you're going to spend a couple $100 in your own out of that 1,000 and walk away with 60-70% profit. Now, if you want to pitch 750 and then connect their card, which is the recommendation is whatever you're going to pitch your fee is going to be, okay? If you want to collect it all and run it yourself, we're finding that people want to do that as well. It's not what we ever did, but then just don't pitch 1,000, pitch 750 and their card goes on file, okay? And then you could spend up to whatever they allow you to spend up to. Now let's take a look at the Google Ads numbers. So we're going to be running this on Google, okay? I wouldn't suggest doing Facebook. Again, we've only ran this on Google, so I'm not going to tell you to run it on Facebook. And this is what you can kind of take these numbers based on. It's going to obviously vary depending on your location. But in the location that we were running this in, we typically were seeing $4 clicks. The conversion was mostly phone calls. Remember 2 days ago when I went through that campaign, I said nobody ever submits in a towing campaign, submits that form. So their primary conversion is a phone call. It's similar here. Some people will submit because they're just, it's not an emergency. So they'll call, but primary conversion is a phone call, not necessarily a submission. And the average cost per lead is about $19, and the average client conversion is 70 to 80%. That was in the area that we were running it in New Jersey. This can vary, okay? I would be happy with a 50% conversion rate. 10 leads, 5 jobs, okay? Or at the very least, 10 leads. They get 3 to 4 jobs, but they give out 5 to 7 estimates, okay? That's what I would be looking for with this campaign. And it is really, when I say simple, I guess the best way to put this is it's very easy to get it up and running on pay-per-click. Very, very simple. And if you are don't really know how to run pay-per-click ads, I highly suggest you grab yourself a Go High Level trial down below. You're simply just going to go to High Level Rewards or comment down below, and I'll send you the link directly. And then opt in and then grab your 30-day free trial. You could also upgrade and still get access. Okay, it's all explained in the video on that page. And then you get access to this, Agency and Go High Level Essentials, where in the classroom, depending on what level Go High Level account you have, you can get access to our Go High Level Agency Mastery course, which has a bunch of bonuses here to helping you land clients, to agency snapshots, reputation management, referral automation, contracts, onboarding, Go High Level, how to add snapshots. Then we just go through a prerequisite training so you can get and understand Go High Level. Then setting up your agency in Go High Level. Then how to run a lead generation like pay-per-click and how to set all that up. Then we have some message marketing, rep management training, some in-depth training, and then weekly Q&As. All the replays are always here. Okay, we do them every Friday at 3 p.m. In addition, you get support from within the group. We have 526 members. These are all people who either are my coaching students in using Go High Level, or they grabbed at minimum a 30-day free trial of Go High Level, and they're working through it, and we're helping them, and we have Q&As every Friday, like I said, and support within it. Like, subscribe, comment, and I think I may owe 2 funnels in one day because I'm going to fall behind. So let me see what I can do, but I appreciate this, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.